God of the desert, looking like a psychopath, dressed heavy metal. Eddie Yuma shirt with the purple eye tops. Blood red vision, fuck your eye drops. I be in the boat, take a sip of OJ. Paint a picture with the verses like a Monet. Goddamn, who can't Sam, he just struck back. Take a piss while I'm rocking, yo, who does that? Ratchet by nature, we ain't in no lies. Pay a cover charge, bro, you must be out your mind. Improper attire is required, cause we will break it with this blunt she just fired. I'm that crazy dope, and pass a drug test.
What you smell like sour?
I smell like success. Down and also watching my socks in the tank. Wait, I'm thinking to talk about why I can't afford to drink. So it's work all day, then it's right till dawn. Roll up to the gate with a gas mask bomb. Ain't got a damn dope. I lost my wallet for real. It sucks if you find my phone, call it.
7, 1, 8, Bronx all day. Throw your legs up, homie, we don't play. I need an Adderall, a Xanax, the Sandmax, I'm blazing. Command fuck viral. Roll up to a gig like I own the damn venue. Ratchets and lines on the prefix menu.
Say what?
I just paid my rent. Let's
Get fucked up.
Landlord took my check.
Yo, that's fucked up.
So we're all gone for the drugs.
Get dead.
Going with the flow, yo, I'm
Lean it in.
my tolerance is higher.
Big us up, line up.
Wanna touch down, I'm a free grip.
Line up.
Trying to stay higher than your second rate. Phone bills running 5 months late.
What?
But my kids stay fed. Sir Robert and Teddy. I'm a beast from the northeast streets. The little game you playing is over.
Complete.
You think you hustling, man? I've been dubbing. Beat it. I kill it on the mic. Call this victory defeated.
How we feeling out there?
What you looking at? What you looking at? Yeah, bitch, I'm weird.
What you looking at? What you looking at?
What you looking at? Yeah, bitch, I'm weird.